Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant error code VAL43, which Riot calls a system has timed out. First, close both the Riot client and Valorant fully. Sometimes a fresh restart clears the timeout. Then reboot your computer to reset network stacks and client processes. Next, check your internet connection. Restart your router or switch networks. Like for example, try tethering from your phone to rule out local network issues. Then delete the Riot client settings file to force it to regenerate fresh configs. Press Windows key plus R, enter %appdata%, navigate to local, then Riot games, then Riot client, and finally data, and delete Riot client private settings.yaml. After doing that, run Riot client as administrator. Also, make sure the VGC or Vanguard anti-cheat service is running. Open services, find VGC, set it to automatic startup, and start it if it stopped. If none of that works, uninstall and reinstall the Riot client, which includes Valorant and Vanguard. This gives you a clean installation. And finally, check the Riot game server status. Sometimes, this error is caused by server downtime that users can't fix on their end. And that's how to fix Valorant error code VAL43. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.